Hi guys, welcome to the next code. So yeah, as you can see, I have upgraded my computer to Windows 11. Yeah, with my data intact. I just lost one important thing, which is my network speed indicator or monitor, you can say. It used to show me my current network traffic, like in upload and download. So that was some important information for me. So yeah, that's gone. I used to use this software called NetSpeed Monitor, and it's not working for Windows 11. I tried it even in the compatibility mode. It's not working. Basically, it's gone. It's time for some alternative. So I found it, and I'd like to share it with you guys. I hope you will like it as well. And it's a pretty simple and sweet piece of software, and it's doing its job. So for that, just head up to the browser and type traffic monitor github. Then you will see this first repository in Chinese possibly. Just click on it. It's open source software, that means you can see the source code. uh, Click on English to see the English version of the description. As you can see, traffic monitor is a network monitoring suspension window software for Windows platform, which uh, fortunately works for Windows 11 as well. It also shows the CPU, memory, and all those things, but we are only going to use it for network traffic speed. If you want, you can also use for uh, all the other details as well, like CPU temperature, memory usage percentage, and all that. As you can see the in the screenshot, here is what we want. This is what we want. We want the internet speed monitor in the taskbar itself, so that it won't take up any of the space uh, in the above area. So yeah, let's quickly see how to install it and how to configure it. Just go into the releases. For the time being, I have this version 1.8 version 1.8.1 as of now. This might vary as per the time when you are watching this video. Always download the latest software uh, and go for the x64 version, and it will start the download, and the download is done as well. You can see the zip file has been downloaded. Let's extract it here only. Since this is already installed software, it is no setup. You can extract it to the safer location wherever you want. I'm going to use this directory for now. As you can see, there is a exe file. Just double click on it. It will ask you for the admin permission. Click on OK, and there you go. You can see the upload and download speed in this short window, which is customizable. But this is not what we want. We want the uh, monitoring details in the taskbar itself. So for that, they have given this option, show taskbar window. They call it the taskbar window, and here you go. You can see, now we can see the internet speed in the taskbar itself. To hide this particular window, just right click on it and click on show main window. It will just hide it, and it is also available in the system tray whenever you want to access the settings. So yeah, there are three tabs in the settings. The main window setting, which is that setting we just hid, and the another one is taskbar window setting. You can play with the setting over here, like checking some options as per your likes. And basically what will happen is, whenever you will restart the computer, it it will be gone. You need to set the software in the system startup, and that option is in the general setting. So just click this checkbox, auto run when Windows start, and click on OK. So that's it, that's done. You can see this software is up and running whenever you will restart the Windows. And yeah, that's it. And let's see if it's working or not. I'll just refresh this page. The speed, upload speed or download speed might vary, and it did. Great. So yeah, that's it. You can also play with the setting as per your likes. But yeah, this was our main aim, to get this monitor, traffic monitor over here. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video as well as this software. Thanks to this guy from China, Zonia. Uh, Make sure to subscribe the channel for more helpful videos in the future, and also comment if you face any challenges while doing this. I will be happy to help. And that's it. Meet you in the next one. Take care.